My top boss, welcome to our physical shop here at Top Heights Electricals with authentic products. And these products are in solar as well as instant showers. We also deal with CCTV cameras, or generally security systems. When you visit our website, which is topheightselectricals.com, you will also find these products there. These are products that we strongly believe in, meaning that they are quality products. Once you see them on the shelves, we have replicated the same on our website. If you want quality products in electrical, in solar, in security systems, kindly visit our website and you will find a lot. What's more, we also have courses on our website as well as electrical services by several electricians. You can either hire them or you can talk with them for any services that you require, which is electrical. Yeah,